Hi student, this video is about how to complete the square for quadratic expression. Okay, for example, we have quadratic expression in form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, the first condition to complete the square, the leading coefficient, that is a, must be a equal to 1 and positive sign. If a does not equal to 1, we need to factor out a. So now let's move to example. Okay, for example, we have quadratic expression x square plus 4x plus 29. Here we have, if we compare this expression with general form of quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, we have a equal to 1, b equal to positive 4 and c equal to 29. So here we have a equal to 1 and positive, satisfy the condition to perform completing the square. So next step, we just need to equal to, okay, this expression actually equal to, okay, next just copy the first two term, x square plus 4x, and then plus in bracket b over 2. So we have b equal to 4, positive 4 over 2, and then square. Okay, next minus b over 2, 4 over 2 square, and then the last term we have plus 29. Okay, next equal to, okay, how we want to simplify the first three term. Okay, equal to first bracket and then put x, and now in this bracket we need to simplify. 4 over 2 equal to 2, we have positive 2, no need to square, we have positive 2 plus 2 and then square. Okay, next we want to solve this term. Okay, for the first term we have negative 4 over 2 square. So 4 over 2 equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4. So we get minus 4 plus 29, or equal to x plus 2 square plus 25. So now we write the quadratic expression in square. Okay, next move to second example. X square minus 5x plus 4. So we have a equal to 1, b equal to negative 5, and c equal to 4. So if we check the first, the coefficient of the first term is equal to 1 and positive. So next step, just equal to, and we copy the first two term, have x square minus 5x, and then plus b over 2. We have b equal to negative 5 over 2 square, and then minus the same term, negative 5 over 2 square, and last term c we have positive 4 plus 4. Okay, next step, we want to simplify the first three term. So bracket x, and then in this bracket, if you simplify, negative 5 over 2 is equal to negative 5 over 2. So just put here negative 5 over 2 and then square. Okay, next minus, okay, this term, if you square, we get 25 over 4 plus 4. Okay, final answer equal to x minus 5 over 2 square and then minus 9 over 4. Okay, next example number 3. If we have quadratic expression 3x square minus 9x plus 50. So here we have a equal to 3, b equal to negative 9 and c equal to 50. But if we check the coefficient of the coefficient of x square, that is a, we have a equal to 3. Means we need to factor out 3. Actually equal to 3 times x square minus 3x plus 50 over 3. So here, if we check, we have a equal to 1, b equal to negative 3 and c equal to 50 over 3. So equal to 3, just copy the first two term. So we have x square minus 3x and then plus b over 2. We have negative 3 over 2 square minus negative 3 over 2 square and then plus 50 over 3. So equal to you need to simplify the first three term equal to x. If you simplify the term in bracket, we get negative 3 over 2 square and then second last term equal to negative 9 over 4 plus 50 over 3. So final answer equal to 3 x minus 3 over 2 square plus 173 over 12. And last example number 4. If we have negative x square plus 3x minus 2, so we have a equal to negative 1, b equal to 3 and c equal to negative 2. Since a equal to 1 but we have negative sign, so we need to factor out negative. So equal to negative x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to negative in bracket, just copy the first two term, x square minus 3x plus b over 2, so b negative 3 over 2 square minus negative 3 over 2 square plus 2 equal to negative. You want to simplify the first three term, so we get x minus 3 over 2 square and then this one equal to negative 9 over 4 plus 2 equal to negative x minus 3 over 2 square minus 5 over 2. Or you can write as equal to 5 over 2 minus x minus 3 over 2 square. Okay, thank you.